Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called Ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Cultural icon. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. The rounded body, distinctive headlights, and rear-mounted engine are all design elements that have made the VW Beetle an instantly recognizable car, even after more than 8 decades. Affectionately referred to as a bug, the VW Beetle has also become a fixture in popular culture. With its affordability, practicality, and quirky style, the VW Beetle was the perfect car for a generation seeking to break free from convention and embrace a new way of life. History and origins. In the 1930s, Hitler had a vision for Germany to become a major industrial power, and part of that vision included the development of a car for the masses. He believed that every German family should have access to a car, and he tasked Ferdinand Porsche with designing a vehicle that was affordable, efficient, and easy to operate. This was the origin of the Volkswagen Beetle. The first Beetle was produced in 1938 and quickly became popular in Germany and around the world. Its simple yet innovative design, combined with its affordability, made it an instant classic.